Hey mathematicians! For math today, we are looking at lesson 6-6. There we go, lesson 6-6. So from your book, you will need pages 317, 319, and 321. This is a 3-page lesson, and right up at the top it says lesson 6-6. You will also need a pencil or a crayon. You can pick which one you would like to use. And then you might want counters. That is up to you. All right, you can pause the video so that you can go get what you need. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. You can push play as soon as you get back. All right, let's look at this first page here. Listen to this math story. Daniel sees 2 rabbits, and then he sees 5 more. How many rabbits are there in all? What equation can you write to solve this problem? Let me read it one more time, and then I want to see what you can do all by yourself. Daniel sees 2 rabbits under a bush. Then he sees 5 more. How many rabbits are there in all? Write an equation to solve this problem. Think about what you learned yesterday using the plus sign and the equal sign. Go ahead, push pause and see if you can figure it out all by yourself. All right, did you try it? There are lots of ways that we could solve this problem. I'm going to show you one way pretty quickly. The first part said, Daniel sees 2 rabbits. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw 2 counters to show the 2 rabbits. And I'm going to write the number 2 right here. That 2 represents the 2 rabbits that Daniel saw. Then he sees 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What else can I do here? Oh yes, I'm going to write the number 5 for the 5 more rabbits that Daniel saw. What symbol do we write to show joining 2 groups? The plus sign. And then let's draw a circle around all of them to show that we're going to join these 2 groups. And let's count how many there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5. What's the symbol that goes here to show the answer? Usually we would see the word is there. Equals is the same thing as is. Remember, it's a line on top of a line. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Kindergartners, today we're going to keep learning all about addition, and we're going to use the plus sign and the equal sign to learn all about writing equations. Oh my goodness, what a big word, equation. Can kindergartners use big words like that? They sure can. Yeah, kindergartners can do amazing things. I'm going to go ahead and turn my page, and so my page looks just like this. You can turn your page and then set your things down while we watch today's math video. Here we go.
How many groups of rabbits do you see? There are 2 groups of rabbits. What addition story can you make up about the rabbits? There are 3 rabbits. 3 more rabbits hop over to them.
That's a lot of rabbits.
How many rabbits are there in all? Let's find out. How can you tell this addition story?
Let's try it.
Drag the rabbits into the circle to show the addition.
1, 2, 3 on that side. And then 3 more rabbits hopped over to them. Look at this. 3 rabbits, there's the number 3, plus 3 more rabbits equals how many rabbits in all? 6.
You can tell this addition story by writing the equation 3 plus 3 equals 6. What does this equation tell? It tells that 3 and 3 is 6. What addition story can you make up about these animals? There are 2 rabbits and 2 squirrels in the park. How many animals are in the park? How does drawing a circle around both the rabbits and the squirrels help you solve the problem? It shows that the 2 groups have been put together. You can tell this addition story by writing an equation. What does the equation 2 plus 2 equals 4 tell? It tells that 2 and 2 is 4. How are these equations different from each other? The numbers are different. They describe different stories. You have learned how to write addition equations to show sums and numbers added.
All right, let's try some. All right, we should have our pages ready. Let me get my crayon. Here we go. We're going to write an addition equation to show joining these 2 groups. Okay, here we go. First, how many foxes are in this group? I see 2. 1, 2. So let's write the number 2. We can trace it. Plus, how many foxes are in this group? 1, 2, 3. Let's write the number 3 to show 3. This 2 stands for these 2 foxes. This 3 stands for these 3 foxes. Let's join these 2 groups to find out how many there are in all. 2 plus 3 equals, let's count to see how many there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in all. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's try it with this one. How many skunks or how many animals are in the first group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write the 4. Plus, how many animals are in this group? 1, 2. Let's write the 2. This 4 stands for the 4 skunks. This 2 stands for the 2 beavers. Let's join these 2 groups by circling all of them. And we're going to count to see what 4 plus 2 equals. 4 and 2 is, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. When we join this 4 and these 2, there are 6 in all. All right, let's try some more. Oh, good. This time they didn't write the numbers for us. We're going to have to figure it out on our own. We can do it, right? All right, let's join these groups of animals. Let's take a look at how many raccoons are in this group, or how many animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write the number 6. That 6 stands for this group of raccoons. Plus, because we're going to join these 2 groups, how many are in this group? I just see 1. Write the number 1. That 1 stands for this one animal. Equals, because now we're going to write the answer. What is 6 plus 1? Draw a circle to show that we are joining these two groups. 6 plus 1 more. Now, there's 2 ways we can do this. You can go back and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I already know that there are 6 raccoons there. We already counted them. So I can just say 6, 7. We've been practicing that too, haven't we? Let's write the number 7 because 7 equals 6 plus 1. And we'll learn some more about that, about rearranging that equation later. Or we can read it like this. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Let's do some more. Let's look at number 4, heart. Let's join these 2 groups. How many animals are in this group? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squirrels in that group. Plus, because we're going to join these 2 groups. How many animals are in this group? I see 2 turtles. 2 equals, because now we're going to find out how many there are in all. This 6 stands for these 6 squirrels. This 2 stands for the 2 turtles. And there's a plus sign in between because we're going to join these 2 groups. 6 plus 2 equals, all right, how many animals are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 animals all together. 6 plus 2 equals 8. All right, we're going to try one more. I'm going to skip number 5, and I want to look at number 6 coffee cup. You can do that one later on your own if you want to, but you don't have to. All right, let's join these 2 groups of redbirds and find out how many there are in all. First, we have to write an equation that matches the picture. How many birds are in the first group? 1, 2. Let's write the 2. That 2 stands for these 2 redbirds. Plus, how many birds are in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write the 7. This 7 stands for these redbirds right here. 2 in this group plus 7 in this group. Let's draw a circle around them to show that we're going to find out how many there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in all. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Very good. All right, let's turn the page. I bet it's time for independent practice. It is. Kindergartners, I would like for you to write an equation that matches each of these pictures. I want you to try number 7 Christmas tree, number 8 flag, and number 9 kite, all by yourself. Pause the video and then push play when you have your work all done. And then I'll show you my answers, or show you the answers when you come back. All right, push pause and get to work. All right, how did you do? Let's take a look at these equations. There are 5 birds in this group plus 2 in this group equals, what is 5 plus 2? Did you draw a circle to show that you're joining the 2 groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you get 7? And does your equation match? 5 plus 2 equals 7. A math equation is a math sentence that matches the picture shown. Does your equation match this picture? If you made a mistake, please fix it. All right, let's look at the equation for this picture. You should have 3. That 3 stands for these 3 rabbits, plus 4 for those 4 rabbits right there, equals how many rabbits are there in all in the whole group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rabbits in all. Wait a minute, look at this. This one has 7 animals, and this one has 7 animals. There are lots of ways to make 7. This one is 7 with 5 plus 2. This one is 7 with 3 plus 4. Wow, numbers are so much fun. All right, let's check number 9 kite. How many birds in the first group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the number 9. Plus, how many birds in this group? 1. Equal sign. 9 plus 1 equals how many birds in all? Did you count them? 9, 10. 10 birds. If you made a mistake, please fix it. Remember, the 9 stands for this group of 9 birds. The 1 stands for this group of 1. The 10 shows how many there are all together when we join those 2 groups. All right, for number 10 house, I would like for you to draw counters to show 2 groups that add up to 9, and then write an equation that matches your picture. Our answers will all be different, and that's okay. Just make sure that you have 2 groups, and those 2 groups have 9 in all. Pause the video and try it all by yourself, then push play when you're all done. All right, let me show you my work. Remember, yours might be different from mine, and that's okay. I want to have 9 counters in all. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. There's my first group. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's the easiest way to get 2 groups so that we have 9 in all. Now let's make an equation that matches my picture. How many in my first group? 3. Plus, because we're going to join the 2 groups, how many in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equals how many in all? Let's draw a circle around both of these groups to show that we are joining the 2 groups. And let's find out how many there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in all. Now remember, your parts might be different, and that's okay. There are lots of ways to make 9. I did 9 with 3 and 6, and my equation matches my picture. 3 plus 6 equals 9. All right, kiddos. This is the homework page for today. It would be a great idea for you to do this with your grown-up at home. Learning about addition equations can be tricky, but I know that kindergartners can do hard things. So why don't you give this page, and if you flip it over to the back side, there's a back side. Why don't you give the front and the back side some practice with your grown-up at home, and so that you can get more practice writing equations that match these pictures. Fabulous job today, mathematicians. I am so proud of you. I'll see you later.